Yani here, and we're back with another video. Today's video, we're gonna be reviewing or reacting to Korean beauty products.
Oh my god, I am so excited. You guys know I love beauty products. I love taking care of my face. It's gonna be my morning routine. Pardon my
This is a morning routine too, so look at her. Look at her, she looks like a woman.
I'm ready, I'm here with my Hilton.
One evening, Fabio was scrolling through Instagram and there were ads about Korean beauty products, and we thought it'd be hilarious to order a lot more of different beauty products from Korea, or I don't know if this is even from Korea. So we went on Amazon, we ordered every single thing. I'm excited, I don't know what to expect, I forgot what I ordered. The only announcement is we're traveling the world next year. We would like to meet all of you and see all of you different places in the world, so comment below where you're from, and we are hoping to meet you.
And we're actually going to Korea, so we can try the real one once we're there.
Yes, and please subscribe to our travel channel. It's a separate travel channel, link down below. Without further ado, let's go right into the video. Okay, so there's everything here in the box. What should we pull out first?
I don't know. I don't even know what you ordered.
Okay, let's do this one. This one, allegedly, is supposed to...
Oh my god, that's scary. It looks like a sex toy.
It's supposed to get rid of your double chin. Fabio has...
Oh, I have it. Look.
Fabio doesn't have a jawline. He doesn't have a chin. Look at that. Look how long mine is. And he has like a double chin and everything is saggy. So allegedly, this one...
I have this problem, guys. I have basically no separation between my chin and my neck.
Oh my gosh. I thought it was a fabric, but it's not a fabric.
Silicone.
It's rubber. I'm excited to try this. Hold on.
Unbox it, Azamar.
You need to stretch it out, Fabio.
Oh my gosh. How am I gonna try?
Wait, let's see the picture. Okay, so this will go to your lip and this is your chin.
It's written in Korean, so
it's written in Korean. We can't... I think it's Japanese.
Oh my god, bonding.
This is becoming sexual. Does it hurt?
A little bit.
Oh my god, it won't fit.
Oh my god, it's pulling my cheeks in. Oh,
wait.
Oh, my lips are exploding out of it. Oh,
wait. Oh my god, wait, hold on. It has to go up.
It has to go just behind here, I think.
No, but like up here so that it pulls up.
My head is too big for this because it's not an average Korean head.
It's over your ears.
But it hurts my lips a lot. Yani, look, they're exploding out.
How is this healthy?
Look at this.
Oh my god, let me try.
It's slimming your cheeks because it's really pushing into the cheeks. Oh, so this is the hole for your chin.
No, how can I do it? And you can. I have a bigger head.
Oh my god, you're so weird. Go close to the camera. It doesn't go... Do I have a bigger head?
I think because you have your big chin. Next product is... It's supposed to help to have a nice, pointy, skinny nose. I don't know how this is scientifically possible. So you can do this apparently when watching movies, TV. I think this was Japanese writing again. So nothing is Korean. We're lying.
Oh my gosh, so many... Oh my gosh.
Here.
There's different tools for surgery. You can perform your own surgery on your nose.
What? What is it?
Those things are scary.
Hey guys, if we lose our noses, then that's the end of it.
So you basically pinch your nose in it.
So I have to go this way. Look, Fabio.
Oh
my god! I cannot breathe.
It's great for swimming. Don't breathe any water.
I think this is what they use for swimming. Look, I have skinny nose.
Oh my.
Oh, it hurts.
What's this? This is like
I think the same thing.
Because you go. Yeah.
Yeah, that way. No.
The pointy part goes there.
No, Fabio. What is this? Is not for swimming. It has to go
like this.
No,
like this.
I think this way.
This way?
Oh, the other way.
But your nose doesn't go down this way.
Yeah, it does.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, I feel very slim. And just a little bit of concealer, you won't even notice that I'm wearing it.
But how is this scientifically possible that it will slim down your nose?
Because it's training, basically. It's gonna train your nose.
Let's make a thumb.
I think this is to create a bridge for your... Oh, I think I found the way. This is to create the bridge on your nose.
Okay, so those are the nose things. I still don't understand how they slim down your nose.
Nose is like bones.
That's what I'm trying to say.
I don't think that is even possible to slim it
And
down.
look at the ad for it. Nose up. In order to make your little nose clearer, more beautiful, and full of happiness. This product is necessary for your nose.
Wow.
They make it sound like you really need to have it. And they're saying that your nose now is ugly. And after this, that's when it's gonna be beautiful. But other than that, it's ugly. Okay, so this one, this was an exercise for your chin.
No.
So that you don't have double chin. So it gets rid of it. It burns the fat.
Burns?
Yes.
No.
No. Like you exercise.
Wow, the package, I must say.
So it looks something like this, like a pacifier.
There are springs in it.
See, it's supposed to slim down your jaw.
Can you show them?
Look, that's what happens. Look, this is what happens. But after using this, it's gonna slim down your jaw. And look.
So you put a spring.
Oh my god, it even has a pouch.
So I'm gonna choose a spring. It's already falling apart. That tells you everything about this product.
The pink is the least.
The low?
frequency.
Okay,
The
pink. First of all, it's not pink, but it's red. So what do I do with that?
So you lift it up.
Yeah.
You
put it in.
Where did you put it? How did you lift it up?
I put the spring in,
inside,
and you close it, and then you pray that it doesn't spring in your face.
You need this for your double chin, Fabio. Is it locked?
And then you lock it,
And
it looks unlocked.
And you exercise your chin.
Oh, you do it like
And then
this.
you press.
Just have to press down like this.
Is it working? No, not you. Yeah, you're chin down.
I'm sweating.
Do that 50 times challenge right now. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
I actually feel sore.
10, 11, 12. Sore where?
In the
16,
chin.
17, 19, 20,
20,
24, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where does it soar? Wow, it works! Wow!
No, it's still there. I don't think it's good for you, to be honest. It's the only one that I feel my muscles working.
I don't think the muscles here is working. I think it's more like here.
Yeah, it's the neck and a little bit here, but I think it's the pressure up.
I don't know if these people are putting science behind their product.
Then why don't you just use your hand for resistance? Is exactly the same thing. So you actually so you don't actually need any product because you can just do that, apply the resistance you want, and just have a very strong neck. That's all.
Okay, so next one is we just bought this deep cleansing black mask because apparently it's the peel off one. So let's try it on our nose right now.
I'm always scared to buy these things online because you don't know how good they're for you, skin for you.
This one especially, like, what's the point? Does it actually make it skinny?
I feel skinny.
Does it actually make it skinny though? It's just compressing your...
You know, you can
I don't
slim your
understand.
fingers too. Here.
What's the science behind it?
Like the nose is bone. Like here is bone. You
cartilage.
cannot slim it down. This is
Oh,
cartilage.
it's nice packaging. Oh, there's a spatula.
Okay, this looks a bit more legit.
Clean and dry your face before application. Apply the mask to face as desired. Avoid eyes, eyebrows, and lips.
Okay, this looks like a bit more legit.
Does it smell?
It smells like super glue.
Maybe it is super glue.
It
'Cause
really does.
Remember the videos online that you just like, comment below guys if you want us to do a challenge, a full face challenge.
Just on my nose, babe, not on my cheeks. Since when are you a beauty guru?
I think it's glue and charcoal mixed together, like the formula on YouTube. Oh my gosh, your nostril, it's gonna go into the hole. Oh, a little actually goes a long way. Why am I keep on adding and adding?
You could have gone a little bit further up.
Oh, it's a little cold. But I think this will work. I think this is the most promising.
I think so too. That's how it feels. Like when you put it on. You know, I'm not sure, to be honest. I'm really second guessing myself.
The decisions
But-
that you make.
At least the packaging looked a little bit more.
Promising. Let's see if there's actually blackheads when it dries down the black.
Ingredients. Let's read the ingredients. Water, glycerin.
What's glycerin?
It's in a lot of creams.
Well, it's good that the first ingredient is water, so this is pretty much water-based. But I feel
Then-
like it's glue because my
Wait.
eyes are watering.
Polyvinyl alcohol.
What is
so
that?
that's bad for your skin because it's alcohol.
I can feel it in my eyes. My eyes is burning. It's evaporating.
Yeah, you can feel the alcohol in it. That's true.
Okay, so we're just gonna let this dry. Let's
Just
do
gonna
a...
chill
Do
about
you wanna
it.
do a thumbnail like it? I'll do this and then you
I
do
kind of
the
wanna
neck.
put the.
Okay, so we'll wait for this to dry and then we'll peel it off. We'll come back in 10 minutes. A few moments. Wow, nip slip, Fabio. Few moments later, we're now gonna remove it because it's now hard on our noses. Let's see if it actually works. Let us know if you want us to do a full face of this. Oh, no, I don't think it works.
It's doing absolutely. I don't feel anything at all.
Maybe it's not too hard.
Mine was hard because I felt it pulling my skin a little. Completely useless. So don't buy this.
It's not hard. Maybe it's not too thick.
Mine was very dry.
Nothing happened. Well, there you go. There you have it in this video. All Korean products we tried today are useless. We're not saying all Korean products in general are useless, but just the ones we bought, like this one I don't see it working on our chin. It's mostly the neck. It's straining our neck.
Yeah, so big fail for this. I think, oh, sorry. Oh my God, sorry.
Oh, Jesus Christ, what kind of a woman are you? Thank you so much for watching.
We see you all next time.
Bye.
Bye.